Mabilis ka bang magalit? Na traffic lang, galit agad yarn? Wala kang pera at puro utang, kaya konting salita lang ng asawa mo o anak mo, galit ka na agad. Yung delays na kinaiinisan natin, yun pala ang protection at purpose ni Lord. Hindi lahat ng mabagal ay masama. Sabi sa James 1:19, be quick to listen, slow to speak, slow to anger. At bakit? Kasi God sees what we don't see. Minsan, na-traffic ka pero may ina-avoid pala na accident. O kaya God is preparing your heart for something bigger. Kung ngayon na hundreds or thousands na utang, mainit na agad ulo mo, paano ka magiging handa sa millions at billions? Patience is not weakness, my friend. It is trust. And ang Greek word ng patience ay macrothemia. Ibig sabihin yan, long-tempered, steady under pressure, calm because you trust God, peaceful in delays. At sabi sa Romans 8:28, all things work together for good. Kung traffic man yan, delay sa sweldo, waiting season, slow progress ng business, lahat may purpose. And God is aligning everything for your good. Kaya hindi mo kailangan magmadaling magalit. Hindi mo kailangan sumabog. You can choose peace because God is working behind the scenes. Believe in Jesus, my friend, the one who brings peace to your heart and purpose to your delays. Declare this with faith. I will be patient and God is working everything for my good. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.